Good morning. Crystalline film screens are designed as specialized protectors for electronic devices, including LCD and LED indoor displays. They offer a variety of benefits. These screens are crafted to provide outstanding clarity, ensuring high levels of transparency and minimal distortion, which helps preserve the original colors, brightness, and sharpness of the display. Moreover, they are equipped with anti-glare coatings that improve visibility in well-lit environments. They deliver strong protection against scratches and scuffs, maintaining the screen's cleanliness and ensuring smooth touch. Sensitivity comparable to that of the original screen. Additionally, these screens are recognized for their durability and extended lifespan, often outlasting other types of screen protectors, which leads to a reduced frequency of replacements. This product can significantly enhance customer engagement by offering both outdoor views and indoor perspectives, allowing businesses to attract a larger audience and capture the attention of potential clients more effectively. For any further inquiries, please do contact us. Vikat LED Private Limited.